Lenovo has recently provided enthusiasts with an exciting sneak peek at its upcoming tablet through an official unboxing video. This tablet, known as the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024, is a part of Lenovo's China-exclusive Xiaoxin line, and there are hints that it might eventually make its way into the global market, potentially becoming part of the popular Tab P series. The unboxing video has unveiled several key features and specifications that have generated a great deal of anticipation among tech enthusiasts and tablet users alike. The Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 showcases an appearance that combines elegance and functionality. It offers users the choice of two exquisite colors, a sophisticated dove gray and an enticing smoky purple. The tablet boasts a sleek and lightweight all-metal body, weighing in at just 465 grams, and measuring a mere 7.1 millimeters in thickness. This combination of style and portability makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a tablet that's both visually appealing and easy to carry around. The star attraction of the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 is undoubtedly its 11-inch high refresh rate, protecting screen. This screen promises to deliver vibrant and razor-sharp visuals, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Notably, it supports dual-app viewing on the same screen, enabling seamless multitasking for users who need to juggle multiple tasks or applications simultaneously. Whether you're working on productivity apps or enjoying multimedia content, this feature ensures you can do so with ease. To further elevate the multimedia experience, the Xiaoxin Pad 2024 is equipped with quad speakers, offering an immersive audio experience that complements the stunning visuals. Under the hood, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 is no slouch. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance for a wide range of applications and tasks. Users have the flexibility to choose from various configurations, with options that include up to 8 GB of LPDDR4x RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Additionally, for those who require even more storage capacity, there's the convenience of MicroSD card expansion. The tablet runs on ZUI 15, Lenovo's custom user interface, which offers a tailored user experience. In a nod to convenience and versatility, Lenovo has included a 3.5mm headphone jack, catering to users who prefer wired audio connections. Furthermore, the tablet offers efficient 20 watts fast charging, ensuring that you spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time using your device. While these features are undoubtedly exciting, details regarding the tablet's battery capacity are still shrouded in secrecy, leaving users with more to look forward to. While the tablet bears the name Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024, Lenovo has hinted that it may hit the market before the year's end, offering consumers an enticing option for their tech needs. The anticipation is palpable, and tech enthusiasts and Lenovo fans alike are eagerly awaiting further details and an official release date. In conclusion, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 seems poised to make a significant impact in the tablet market, not only in China, but potentially worldwide. Its winning combination of sleek appearance, innovative display technology, powerful performance, and thoughtful features is bound to make it a sought-after device when it eventually hits the market. As the launch date approaches, consumers can certainly stay tuned for more information about this exciting addition to Lenovo's product lineup. I know you are interested in videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day and good luck.